2025 was a defining year for Timbuktu, a year of bold ideas, powerful partnerships, and African innovation taking center stage. Across the continent, young innovators and experts shaped conversations on policy, youth engagement, and unlocking capital. Our innovators celebrated major wins: recognition at the Afritech Awards, investment secured for renewable energy solutions in Malawi, and a Timbuktu innovator winning Rwanda's Hanga Pitchfest, among many other achievements. Inside our hubs, creativity thrived from residency programs to graduations across the FinTech, ManuTech, MineTech, GreenTech, HealthTech, and Creatives hubs. The UniPods also soared with hands-on learning, from AI and prototyping in Guinea to precision woodwork in Rwanda, to automotive training in Uganda. We also celebrated the launch of new UniPods in Lesotho, South Africa, Togo, and Guinea. Partnerships deepened across governments and the private sector. Angola announced it will host the Timbuktu AgriTech Hub. Ghana signed an agreement to establish its UniPod, and agreements were signed with Unleash, 500 Global I and M Bank, the China Academy of Information and Communications Technology, and Equity Group. Timbuktu's footprint went global with financing for development and the G20 recognizing Timbuktu as a legacy program. Goodwill Ambassador Pataranking championed Timbuktu at TICAD. UNUSG Amandeep Singh Gill visited the HealthTech Hub, and UNDP's new administrator, Alexander De Croo, visited the GreenTech Hub. 2025 proved that Africa's innovation story is unstoppable, powered by young minds, bold ideas, and a growing community of partners. With the support of our partners, we are igniting the African ecosystem and driving real change for people and planet.